Hi, for today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change color of a texture, especially clothes on IMVU. So first look for the product you want to derive from. So I'm going to use this one as an example. This shirt, so I need to download everything, so like the front, the back and the sleeves. So all you gotta do is just right click on it and save image as. And if you're a creator, you're gonna find derive from product down here. So then just open up Photoshop. So I already loaded it in Photoshop. You can do it by dragging and put it directly here, or click on file and open. So I have the front and the back. Now I want to change the color of it. All I gotta do is just make a copy of this one. Just press on Ctrl J, have a copy, click on the adjustment icon down here and select hue and saturation. Then make sure to click on colorize. Change the blending mode here from normal to multiply or color. Color is the best. Now you can change the color. Just play with the slider till you find the color you want, as you can see down here. Now if you want to look for more colors, all you gotta do is just hide this one, make a new adjustment by clicking on the icon here and select solid color. Now choose any color you want. So I'm gonna use like a green. Then change the blend mode to multiply. So as you can see, it turns green. Now I want to change the color of it. Just double click on this and then you can choose any color you want. Now if it's not working, put it back to color or multiply, depends on the color. So as you can see, it's yellow now. Now I want to turn it to white or black. All I gotta do is just like make a copy of the layer again, or if you have it already, just let it be. Click on on image, adjustment and go to desaturate, or you can use the shortcut Shift Ctrl U. So once it's desaturate, click on the adjustment icon again and choose levels. So now you can adjust it. For example, I want to make it black, so I'm just gonna play with the sliders till it becomes black. Darker areas, now I want to put it white, go in the opposite way. So as you can see, it's white now. Now have my color and my black and white, it doesn't matter. Now I want to shift it to the back. Simple, just right click on the hue and saturation and choose duplicate layer. Just duplicate it to the over document, so this one, and click on OK. So as you can see, it's transferred there. Now to make it black and white, you gotta again desaturate the image first. So I'm gonna desaturate it. Then now I can transfer the levels back there. So duplicate layer. So as you can see, it's white, the same color as this one. So now I have a white mesh. I want to change the color of it. Again, just make a copy of it. Then you can't really go to hue and saturation and change the color. As you can see, it won't look good. So all you gotta do is just click on the adjustment again and click on solid color. Choose any color you want. So I'm gonna use like blue and change the blend mode to multiply. So as you can see, you can change to any color you want. Simple and easy. Now I want to make it black. I can't go into levels and play with the slider, it won't look good, as you can see. All I gotta do is just make a solid color first. So I'm gonna use any color, make it multiply. Then I'm gonna merge these two layers. So I'm gonna hold Control, make sure it's selected here, and click on the layer down, right click on it and merge layers. Again, image, adjustment and desaturate. Now I can change the color. Go back to levels, then I can put it black. You gotta put a color first, desaturate and then play with the levels. So as you can see, it's black now. Now you have a black texture. black, it's completely different. So to make it colorized, just go into solid color, choose any color again, and make sure you put it color. So as you can see, it's a little bit darker. All you gotta do is just go into adjustment icon again and choose brightness and contrast. So just increase the brightness and play with the contrast if you want to. So you have a colored one. Now to turn it to white, you gotta click on the adjustment icon, click on solid color, choose a light gray. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then make the blend mode to linear dodge. Then go to adjustment icon again and click on levels. Now just play with the levels. It doesn't matter if the outside change color, because it won't appear on the clothes. It's just out of bounds, so it doesn't matter. And you can play with the curves if you want to. So you can adjust the curves. Have a perfect one, up to you how you want to play with it, what color you're looking for. It's simple as that. Black is a little bit tricky, but if you follow the instruction I'm giving it to you, it's way more easier than you ever think. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.